Hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, in the evening of Friday, November the 11th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So otherwise it will be a day job for me. So only 4 out of 7 I will solve. And the puzzles I will do will be the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. But the first one, let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku number 5465. All right, 5465. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here 2 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. All right. 2 4s. 1 5. 4 6s. All right. The 7s. 1 2 7s. 1 2 3 8s. And 2 3 9s. So the 3s and the 6s are in majority. So can I start with a 3? Let me see. Let me see if I can start with 3. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. How about the 6 then? Let me see the 6s. 6. Wow, will be difficult. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Well, the 6 in the third column, the 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. Okay. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Let me start with the other digits. The 9 in this row, first row. The 9 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in third, middle column. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 9. How about the 6 again? Nope, 6. Need a 6 there. Let me think. 8 1 8 1 8 1 8 4. 8, 8, 7, 8, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 5. Need a 5 then. Well. Let me think. Come on. 2. Ay. Let me think. 4, 4, 4. Mm-hmm. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. Oh, need a 4 here. This should be the 4. 4 here. 4 there. Come on. This is taking too long. 6. I'm stuck. Cannot believe this. 1, 1. Yeah, no, well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this big square, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. I hate to mark the numbers outside the big square. Alright, but 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. Yeah. 4. I think the 4 should be there. Because if I place the 4 here, then we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. We have no place for the 4 here. So I think the 4 should be definitely there, and the 5 goes here. Alright, so 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 and 6. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, so 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. That means 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2, 2. Alright. How about the 6 now? 6, 6. No, still cannot continue with the 6. 6, 6. 6. 6. Here, 6. Alright. 5, 3, 9. No. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the column next, so no 7 there. So the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the middle row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. All right. Okay. And now, yeah. Think. 5. Yeah. 4. 4. Here need a 4. Yeah. How about the 8 then? 8. 1, 2, 4. Where's the opening? The opening. 2. Okay. I'm thinking. Come on. 4. 4. 4. And it could be everywhere. 4. 4, 1 and 5. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Alright. 8 and 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Then 2. We have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 4 in this column. The 2 and the 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 8. Well, we have a 1 here in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So here we have a pair 2 and a 4. So what number is this one in the last row? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. All right. Then 1, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. All right. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. These 2 missing numbers, I believe, also the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 and a second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 now in the third column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 4 in the third column. The 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and a 4, well, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 2 in the third column, the 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this additional A4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.